How to delete my Grab account. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to delete my Grab account. First, launch the Grab app on your phone. Next, you have to enter your exact location. Go to the Account tab on the right side of the bottom bar. Now, tap on the profile icon on the top right side. You will see there is only a logout option. Go back and scroll down to find the Help Center option. Tap on it and choose your Help Center language. Press the OK button and then got it. Now, you can chat with the team to get the help. Go to the FAQ and Info Center option. Type delete my account and it will provide you with some instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions and fill out the required information to submit the form. After that, your account will be deleted soon. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.